Rain showers made their way through the region early this morning before mostly sunny skies arrived, and we saw that during the afternoon and the late evening, and we'll continue to see that on into tonight as we'll be mostly clear. Some very heavy rainfall just to our south as they saw some very severe weather down here to lower Michigan. But for us, we're not going to see high rain chances, and maybe a few light rain chances tomorrow and maybe Thursday before picking back up again by the time we make our way closer to Friday. 75 degrees for right now. North winds are at 12 miles per hour, and as we take a look at temperatures across the rest of the nation, we're seeing more of those cooler conditions right along Lake Superior, but off to the south and west, just look how things really heat up for us. 85 degrees in Crystal Falls, 73 in Ontonagon, while at 75 in Ironwood. Off to the east, seeing more of those cooler conditions at 70 in Munising, more of the upper 70s for us in Escanaba at 77 degrees, and Ishpeming at 65 degrees at this current point. Current winds coming from the north at 12 miles per hour and Houghton a little lighter farther south in Iron Mountain at 5 miles per hour, and seeing that light easterly breeze a little farther south and east in Escanaba at 9 miles per hour. Expect winds to be only around 5 to 10 miles per hour throughout the overnight. And temperatures across the entire state, 86 down in Flint, 88 degrees, so close to that 90-degree mark a little farther south in Detroit, where they're going to be looking out for more of those severe storms by tomorrow. But slightly cooler tonight with that slightly cooler air mass in place. That will help temperatures to drop off into the lower 50s and the middle 50s for our overnight lows. More isolated rain chances tomorrow, only between 10 to 20%, and that will happen during the late morning to early afternoon hours. After that, expect skies to be mostly sunny as we head into the evening and mostly clear by tomorrow night. But later on during the week, we will become a little more unsettled as a stationary front will set up across the area, and that will provide thunderstorm chances as we get closer to Thursday and Friday. But our current setup is showing how that cool air is just to our north. We'll feel a little of that tonight as lows will fall close to that upper 40 to lower 50-degree mark. As we take a look at our forecast for tomorrow, most of the stronger storms and the thunderstorms will be well off to our south. If you do have any plans to go farther south into lower Michigan, you may want to watch out because there are going to be some very strong storms, and some of them were tornadic today in lower Michigan and could be yet again tomorrow as we head throughout the day. Pollen forecast, we have Wednesday, looks very nice for us, very low, and then slowly but surely it does start to increase as we get closer to the weekend, but it's not going to be until maybe Sunday until it gets closer to that moderate to high level. Futurecast model is showing how things will stay pretty clear for us tonight, but fog will develop closer to the pre-dawn hours and then burn off quickly throughout the day. A very small chance of a thunderstorm or two throughout the afternoon, and then we'll see thunderstorm chances pick up again as we head closer to Thursday and Friday as our next disturbance pushes closer to the Upper Peninsula. For tonight, we'll be at 52 degrees, partly cloudy, maybe in some areas of patchy fog, north winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. By tomorrow, seeing more of that northeasterly flow between 5 to 15 miles per hour. Partly sunny most of the day, and we could see those isolated chances of showers or thunderstorms throughout the morning and the early afternoon. Highs much warmer the farther south and west you go. 79 degrees in Crystal Falls, cooler a little farther north in the upper 60s in Lawrence, and lower 70s for us in Marquette. Let's go ahead and take a look at our 7-day forecast, though. This will start to show you the story of how we pretty much just stay wet. Thursday, small chances of rain picking up yet again, though, by Friday, as we'll have that next disturbance much closer to the region. Highs back in the upper 70s, but then rain chances continue on into the weekend as that area of low pressure will move slowly, but cool us back off into the 60s by Sunday.